The intense moisturizing properties of Hydra Rich Repair Cream infuse skin with rich hydration and skin-resilient support. This rich lotion seals in moisture for all-day hydration and supports skin's natural nighttime repair process. As a key component in the moisturizing step of your skincare regimen, Hydra Rich Repair Cream follows your Natrience serums and boosters. Formulated with calendula, a marigold flower extract that filters harmful blue light, and with ectoin, a natural amino acid that provides protection from environmental stressors, Hydra Rich safeguards against damage. Skin-soothing centella extracts re-densify skin's appearance, and beta-glucan decreases the look of lines and wrinkles. Apply to clean skin on face and neck. Use morning and night for normal to dry skin, or use Hydrolite in the morning for lighter hydration and Hydra Rich at night for richer hydration. Hydra Rich provides multi-benefit support that visibly improves the appearance of youthful skin. Natrience, the alliance of nature and science.